What up? What up? What up, Diecast gang? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy KG back in the workshop studio. Hope all you guys having a blessed day. Feeling pretty good myself, guys. Well, just alright, guys. Feeling a little bit under the weather. Every time I get to talking, brother just came. Say what up. High five. Good girl. Every time I start a video, she hear me talking, she gotta run up, so. Like I said before, guys, just feeling a little bit under the weather. This Chicago weather can be kind of tricky, guys, so kind of feel a little congested. You might can hear it in my voice a little bit. Yeah, guys, feel a little bit down, but I ain't gonna let that stop me. A lot of stuff been going on that could be worse. So I'm here. It's a new year, and I'm gonna try to get more on the grind this year, so. Got a little interesting video put together for you guys today. Back into the swing of wheel swaps. Guys been enjoying the wheel swap videos, and I've been putting them off, guys. I used to do a lot of wheel swaps off video, and you know, I'll be looking around my collection and I see something I can swap up to make different or make better. My own creation, I always try to get it done, but I've been holding a lot of them off to share with you guys. That's why, you know, we rolling back a lot of, in my opinion, past content, but it's all good. It's fresh. We're gonna get back into that realm of builds. I'm real excited about that this year. Really excited about it, actually. I don't know how many I'm gonna be to swing out, but I'm gonna get started real soon with a build for myself. I got like at least 3 in mind right off the bat. But one of them is one I really need to get to, which is gonna house most of my really nice 1/24 scale diecast. So coming real soon, gang. Before I get into the video though, this wheel swap, I just wanna ask you guys a question. In the last video in the comments, I had a couple of people, I ain't gonna say a lot, a couple of people that commented and said, don't open the green light 1987 Caprice Metropolitan Police. You know, Judgment Day. And here it is, the box, guys. This was a chase piece, gang, and I actually already had it out the box, which I'm gonna show on camera right now. Very, very beautiful piece. Which I remember this movie so well, guys. It's like one of the few movies that I actually remember, because I'm not really a movie buff guy like that. But Terminator 2, I do. I remember the original Terminator also, but my question is, why you guys say do not open this? Why you guys say leave it in the box? I really like to know, because a lot of people say leave it in the box, don't open it, but never really say the reason behind why I should leave it in the box and not open it. And I know what you guys might be thinking, like, KG, you know the reason why you know. But, no, honestly, I really don't, guys, because, you know, the reason I collect is because I'm a collector, guys. I really love my diecast, and I really love, everybody who knows me knows I pretty much I'll unbox anything. And it's not really all about the essential value of the model or what you can get for it, or, you know, it might sound crazy. I'm just giving you my overall perspective of it. I still want to know your comment. And honestly, you know, people collect for different obvious reasons, but other people collect multiples. Like I said before in another video, I just got into collecting multiples, and it really has grown my collection tremendously. Like I told you before, I wasn't into collecting multiples. I only collect single of each individual castings, and it's kind of bittersweet. I kind of regret it, and I kind of don't regret it. And I'll tell you reason why both. Reason why I do kind of regret it is because the old Jada company made a lot of different colorways of different cars and different castings. And I could have had a mass collection of classic Jada's, original Jada toys from the original Jada Toys company. But I really wasn't fully on the bandwagon as far as to collecting multiple Jada toys. I was just picking up. I was a fan, but I was just picking up things that interested me. And if I already had a casting, if I already had this certain Lamborghini, Chevelle, Shelby, Impala, if I already had one, no matter what other color came out, I would never grab another one. So I kind of regret that because I could have a lot of not really nice old classics, and they worth really a lot of good money these days. Like I said, I'm not into the initial value overall, but just, I don't know. I just wasn't into it. I was just only into collecting single models of each casting. So recently, like the last maybe 4 years, 4 maybe 5, I started collecting multiples. Shortly after the Fast and Furious started hitting the shelves, I started seeing like multiples of the same castings, and that. I slowly became a fan of collecting the Fast and Furious sets. Now I have a complete set of Fast and Furious. Another one that brought me into it is the 20th anniversary set. Yeah, after that, it's been crazy since then. And the reason why I kind of don't regret it is because now the new Jada Toys company has been bringing out so many different colorways and different models of cars that I could continue to collect and add into my collection. So it's kind of like now I have a mixture of both. I have a mixture of some older classic Jadas, and I have a mixture of a lot of new pieces, guys. And I really appreciate the new Jada company because they've been coming out with bangers, new castings, new things that I've been really blown away by. You know, some really strong ones, guys. So I continue to support them in every way I can. Like I said, I'm retiring from the hunt. I won't be collecting no more 1/24 scales. None in 2024, guys. That's my goal. Like, I'm hanging it up. Maybe not gonna say forever, but none in 2024 for a full solid year, guys. With the exception, I might grab a few at the auto show, guys. So don't hold me to, if I pick up like 3 castings at the auto show, don't hold me to that, guys. So, but other than that, 2024, I'm only focusing on Hot Wheels premiums. I will collect Hot Wheels premiums and mini GTs. That's it. It's gonna be extremely difficult for me to only stick to a certain cast, but over the last few years, I just started collecting 1/64 scale, and I've been collecting every single brand that's on the market, not on the market, but in the stores that you can grab off the pegs from the different stores that sell 1/64 die casts, like Walmart, Target, Myers, even the auto parts stores and grocery stores. You can find 1/24 scale casting sometimes. So I just been collecting everything that I could find, you know, and really kind of getting a feel for it and really trying to see what brand I really like, you know what I'm saying, if I want to continue to collect these, you know. So give every brand a chance, opportunity to inspire me, because I'm a diecast collector. That's what I am. But enough of me blabbing on, gang. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about the not opening the green light. Open it because I'm a collector. I enjoy it. I don't worry about the initial value. I'm not worried about resale value. I'm not worried about this thing skyrocketing. It's not. I think it's gonna skyrocket to a price that's gonna change my life. You know, any of them is, or I would just sell my whole collection. I'm just kidding. But let's get into this wheel swap, guys. I'm not gonna waste no more time. We're gonna get right into it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Peace. Alright, guys, check it out. Here we are. I got some cars back on the work table. Starting with this Lamborghini, guys. Could you go sit down for me, please? Cause you tapping. This Lamborghini, guys, is one that I got not too long ago. And I really bought it specifically just for the wheels. But this is a Veneno, I believe. And this is one that I don't have. I didn't have a red one already in my collection. So, knowing me, I really hate to let a car go without wheels, guys. So, these wheels really didn't work on this car for me. They were really too small. So, I didn't make an effort to really get them on there good or see them. They was just some wheels that came off another Lamborghini. I believe it came off of Murcielago. But I took them off, I swapped them, and I got one that's missing. It fell somewhere. I'll find it momentarily, but right here, I still have my Fast and Furious Lamborghini Gallardo that I got from KJ. Big shout out to him again for getting me this model. And there she is in all glory. She's been covered up the whole time, but I did a wheel swap on her right away. I actually bought this Lambo to actually give it some wheels, and I thought it would look really good on this car. And we got them seated on there, guys, but over time, I really didn't like how they was looking on this car, so I decided that I want to switch it up again. So once again, I was looking around my collection to see what I can swap it up with, and I came across this. These are the wheels that I would like to see on it, because they're not as, these wheels on there, but it made the car sit more higher than it really needs to be, and the front wheels is kind of, the space is just like a little bit big. Pardon me, gang. This Murcielago, these wheels are just like the silver wheels. So what I'm gonna do is take these wheels off of the Murcielago, put them on the Gallardo, put the wheels that was on the Veneno on to the Gallardo, and then to the Murcielago, and then I add another car to the mix. Here we got a GTX, Plymouth GTX, guys, seated on some, it kind of like almost gold with a chrome lip, but not shiny gold. These wheels I'm gonna attempt to put on a Lamborghini. I never tried to do this before, but I think this would be kind of hot if this actually worked. And then I'm gonna take the Lamborghini wheels that's on the Gallardo and put on the GTX. Let's see how that looks, guys. So it's kind of a strange mix with throwing a GTX in there. We're gonna see how this works out, guys. Like I said, I never really liked these wheels on this car, so that really really wasn't even worth for me to take the wheels off of this car. I'm just doing a bunch of blabbing on, but this is the reason why I'm switching it all up. But I'm just gonna go ahead, guys. I'm not gonna show you, take you through a long, drug out explanation about how I switched the wheels. I'll show plenty of other videos. I will show more videos down to the detail of how I do that. But I just wanted to show you my heat tool right now. Right now I can't even get to it. So I'll show it to you later on in the video. But right now I'm just gonna go ahead, do the wheel swap, guys. Get all these switched up and show you guys the result. I'm not gonna keep you guys on a long drug out video. So let's get it. Alrighty, guys. Got all 4 cars together. Took a little bit of time to work them all in and get them all together, guys. But real quickly, I'm gonna give you guys an overview. Starting off with the GTX. This one's a bit weird. This one needs a little bit more work, guys. Like I said before, I'm a little congested, so they got on there. They don't look as good as I expected them to on this particular car. Well, they are Lambo wheels, guys, but this could possibly be a temporary swap. Plus, I need to adjust them, guys, to get them stable. That's the one that needs the most work, but they roll. Here's a Lambo. Now the Lambo is kind of stiff. It kind of rolls but doesn't. I'm gonna do a little more work with this one also. I like the way it turned out. It's different. Definitely different. The good thing is about this, this will make I have 5 of these Vaninos all together. I can just swap the base out with one of my other ones. Because one thing about them is they all had the same exact wheels. So this adds a little bit of variety. I like it. Like it. When I put them all together, it won't look like, you know, it look like they're in a car show. They're like they all came from the same, like from the dealer to the car show, you know. This is hard to see these black wheels, but I think these look much better than the wheels that came on there, on the car. Once again, they are black. I gotta fix the brake and rotor on this wheel. But other than that, I think that turned out awesome. I like it much better now. It sits more like it should, closer to the ground. Even though, but not much, but you could tell the difference. And these silver wheels just worked out perfect for this car, guys. I mean, the color is almost matched to the body. So there it is, guys. As always, let me know what you guys think down in the comments. If you watch me the first time, hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed the content. And always, guys, leave a comment for that question I asked earlier in the video, guys. I really would like to know what's to this chase thing game. Why should I have left it in the box? But like I told you guys, it's not really the value for me. You know, somebody has to enjoy these things. You know, somebody has to take it out the box eventually, and guess that'll just be me. You know, not really into treasure hunts. Just getting into that, touching on that a little bit. Not at chases, super treasure hunts, whatever special dishes they have in there or out there. Recently, I just never really became a fan of it because I feel like it's not being used as what it was meant to be. You know, the purpose of having chase pieces and super treasure hunts was to add excitement to the actual collectors, the people who actually enjoy collecting and adding these things to their, just really enjoying them to me overall. But that's enough of me talking, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, peace and love. It's your boy KG. I'm out.